Hi, I'm Graham Cowan. I'm a mental health author, speaker, and a board director of Are You OK? Over the last 10 years, I've helped thousands of leaders to build more caring and mentally healthy teams who enjoy growing together. And what I've learned during that period is that the closest thing we have to mental health nirvana at work is prevention and early detection. On November 16, I'm going to be doing a webinar specifically for the manufacturing industry because there's been some real challenges there around supply chain, but also around keeping our workers healthy and well. In the webinar, I'm going to be sharing three key elements. The first thing is talking about some of the factors that negatively impact mental health and also positively impact mental health. Secondly, I'm going to be talking about how to identify a strategy which will have the most impact in your business. And then thirdly, I'm going to be talking about free resources that are available via the WorkWell website that help put in place a 5-step plan to improve mental health in the manufacturing sector. I really hope you can join us on November 16, not just so that I can share some information, but also how we can answer questions for you. See you then.